What's the matter with my car? It's got stuff all over it. I don't know what that is. This is terrible. I can't see out of the window because all that stuff is on the car. I got my phone. It don't wake up to turn on. I gotta hit the side button. I get into my video and I'm ready to take a shot. Just like that, right? Now when I'm all done, I hit the off button. Look at that, Siri comes on. I don't get phones at times why we use it as a camera. And I gotta hold it in such a way that I can't block my screen, and I have to hold it this way to take my videos, and I hit the wrong buttons and my hands get in the way. The shot could be ruined by the time I get it all up and running. It's not on the Go camera like a GoPro or some other cameras. Now I got a DJI, the Action 3, and it's supposed to be instant on. And let me tell you, that don't work all the time. The camera's got to be on for at least a minute prior just to get that instant on. So what do? Waste footage to get it so you could get the first 15 minutes? And the action's not there yet? And it goes back to the norm? Oh yeah. And of course, we get the camera so it could be great in low-level shots. And yet, nothing works fine. Bagels, yeah, fresh and hot. Oh yeah, the line was just a little long. But we'll get on out of here, get where we need to be at. Why am I so tight in the car, man? That's the car for you. Nothing's as big as the car that you ride. It's big enough, but the seat's always forward. Memory. So we talked about, you know, GoPro, DJI, having a smartphone, and yeah, you park in the middle of the street just like that. Everybody does. It's such a car route day. Oh yeah, I gotta go get some gas because like I said, what's happening is we're getting a change of weather. We may get a snowstorm. Oh yeah. Paid $3.29 for gas. Yeah, for the snowblower, man. And that first tank, that first station, it didn't work. Oh wow, let's get on going. Let's wait for that storm.